Whoa, bit of a ditch there. Good job I spotted that. Turning here. I'm not sure where I am, so you can sort of see a trail. Careful, Johnny. Don't know what's happening, what's coming up on me. I do enjoy. How is it going? Feel that power. Whoa, that would have been a jump if I'd have known about it. Here I go down there, if my memory serves correct. Oh, this is overgrown. I haven't been along here for years. It's changed. A bit like this. And a bit of death grip. Whoa. Spin that off. What is this? Ah, loving this. You have to get right over that front wheel as you're gonna. Just wants to. Wow! I wonder what that was in. Yeah, it's just lunatic. Whoa, which way? Oh. Totally losing that tracker. Oh, that's what it does, it's just on the back wheel when you least expect it. Ah. She's rapid. I tell you what, this bike's bloody amazing now. I absolutely love it. I'm only riding it at, I don't know, 50% of its power. It's all I can use. It's got so much more there, and especially if you're a confident rider, it's brilliant. You can see it back there just lifting on the back wheel. Just from the mildest little bump on your front wheel. it doesn't half get your heart rate going. That's what I love about it. My heart is going dun 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 dun. It's giving me a hell of a tingle. Don't really like these gravelly tracks. And also, I don't want to annoy anyone around here too much. I'll just have a nice mild cruise down to the other end. I'm finding myself having to have so much self-control on this now. There's just that much power. It's easy to make a big mistake and regret it, basically. So I'm having a lot of control. There's places where I think, oh, I can open it up some more, then suddenly it tightens up on me and I think, no, that was enough for my skill level. It's getting quite dark now. I'm starting to lose the light. I'm going to have to find my way out of here. Just wants that back wheel all the time. I don't like the back wheel, I'm fighting it. I'm holding it down. Whoa, 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 what's someone put here? That's a bit of a surprise. Take my sunglasses off, that'll help. Till I get a fly in there. Whoa. Don't know what happened there, I just leant forward a bit and then I had to bring the front down then, it was just kept lifting. That's what I mean, I'm having to have self-control. That would have just died out before. Well, you wouldn't have got it up like that. God, this is rough. Can't see, blind corner. Hooker left. No one about. Oh. What a buzz. Just what the doctor ordered. Makes the day feel so much better now. I got a bit of death grip going on with this now as well. I'm getting all sorts of different feelings now I've uprated this, aren't I? I keep looking for more trails, but I am thinking I've got to start heading back. Yeah, I think it's time for me to call it a day. So all I've got to do now is thank you, especially as you got this far. Hope you enjoyed. Moto Machines out.